G'day guys, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about the methodology to generate your own ideas for your next business video. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about the methodology to actually generate your own ideas for your next business video. So recently I did an episode where we talked about a whole list of ideas for your next video project, but I think sometimes it's better to actually tell you the methodology behind generating your own list, and that will help you to think about what you can do next. So for me, I think videos break down into four main areas as to what message you're trying to get across. So the first category is videos that tell. Now these can be about your company, they can be about your product, they can be about your service, but ultimately the content, the story that you're trying to give someone is a telling message. Now in all honesty, not all viewers will want to know what you're trying to tell them, and so for that particular reason, it's really a good idea to make sure that all of your content is not a tell message, because you're just going to switch those guys off. The second form of content is videos that help. And these are a really great way of building your brand, but they are reliant upon you sharing information that is valuable to the viewer. The third area is around lowering barriers of entry. So these videos are really trying to tackle a perception, usually a negative perception about your business, product or service, as to why people don't come to you. And the fourth area is to answer questions on your business, your product or your service. Now, how do you find these questions? Well, either people will email them into you, and if you spot a common pattern, you can pick those out, but often it's through the conversations that you have with potential and existing clients that will really help drive this content. My top tip here is if you are receiving those emails with questions, people are having conversations with you or your staff, then make sure you just jot down a couple of notes to kind of have that memory jogger when you come to write your script for your next video. So there you have it. There's my methodology on generating content, video ideas for your business videos. And if you're still stuck, there is an episode out there which gives you a whole bundle of ideas, so that is worth checking out. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use video to market your business, then why not consider joining our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.